In this video, we're going to look at special triangles. We have two special triangles, the 45, 45, 90 triangle and the 30, 60, 90 triangle. We can use these triangles to solve similar triangles. So as long as they have the same angles, we can use proportional reasoning to get new values. Good luck! Just as a reminder, I'm going to draw the triangles at the top of my page. So here's the 1, 1, root 2 triangle and the 1, 2, root 3 triangle. I'm going to use these ideas to solve these three problems. So in the first one, I have the 45, 45, 90 triangle. So these sides were before, they were 1s. So this was a 1 before, and this was a 1 before, and this was a root 2 before. So if root 2 became 6, well, how did root 2 become 6? What did I multiply root 2 by to get 6? Well, to do that, I'm going to do some rough work over here. What's 6 divided by root 2? I could do that on the calculator, but there's this process. I think what I'm going to do is what they call rationalizing the denominator. So I'm going to multiply the denominator by root 2 and the numerator by root 2. So I'm really just multiplying by 1. So on the top, I get 6 root 2, and on the bottom, root 2 times root 2 is the root of 4, which is 2. So now I can simplify that a little bit more. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then I still have the root 2. So we're kind of treating this root 2 like an x, all right? So I got rid of it on the root 2 on the bottom by multiplying by root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 10 times root 10 is 10. All that makes sense. So root 2 on the top as well gives me 6 root 2. I write the whole number first and then the radical. And then 6 divided by 2 gave me 3. So back to my question over here, I multiplied by 3 root 2. So to get the 6, I multiplied root 2 by 3 root 2. So I need to multiply the ones as well by 3 root 2. So x equals 3 root 2 and y equals 3 root 2. Okay, the second question is the 60, 30, 90 triangle. And so this is a 30. If that's 30, then this was 2. This was 1 in the original triangle, and this is root 3. So 2 became 16. How did 2 become 16? I multiplied it by 8. So then I need to multiply these ones by 8 as well. So then x equals 8 root 3 and y equals 8. In this final triangle, I have a 30, 60, 90 again, and the hypotenuse is a 2, was a 2. The short side is a 1, and this v would be root 3 according to our reference triangle up here. But 1 became 2, so I multiplied by 2. So I need to multiply this 2 by 2 to get 4, and this root 3 by 2 to get 2 root 3. So u equals 4 and v equals 2 root 3. If you are inside the file, the Google Slides, then this link here will take you to some more practice questions, not in the video, but in the slideshow. Remember to stay healthy and stay safe.